Hi folks, Angela here. I'm gonna give you just a quick 2-minute video about the nutrients that I add to my water, my daily and weekly watering schedule, so that you guys can hopefully have some happier, healthier plants. Okay, here we go. So anyways, I decided to go a very simple, easy, natural way to kind of ease into getting my plants some better nutrients. And so I found Super Thrive. And this is from just my local garden shop. And what I liked about this is that it's a vitamin solution. And so it's not really fertilizer. It's high in nitrogen from what I can tell. Their patent, it's like their secret recipe. They've been around. And you can use it when you transplant indoor, outdoor plants. You can use this on trees, shrubs, roses, anything and everything. And because it's just vitamins, it really can't hurt. They say that you can't, hey Steve, you can't use too much of this, but definitely use less. So they say 1 drop a cup. And so this is my little watering can. And so I literally use, excuse me, Steve. He's so needy when I come home for lunch. I use a pipette and I just literally take 1 drop. Well, I probably put 3 or 4 drops in this little can, but this is how I water my indoor plants. And so I use this every time I water, so every week. And I do have a spray bottle for some of my propagating plants that I just moved to soil. And so I do put a drop of this in there and then I spray it. You just don't want to put this in a bottle or in a watering can and then sit and let it wait a few days before you use it. Just use it fresh every day and throw out the rest. The other thing that I do then is Epsom salt. So not super fancy, but it's great. Someone on here, I think it was Kathleen, told me about this forever ago. And it basically it's magnesium sulfate. Now Perdita's interested. It's magnesium sulfate. And the purpose behind this is that magnesium is needed in your plant to help produce chlorophyll, which we all know that helps with the photosynthesis, right? That's how the plants get their energy, and that's how they grow. So if you use Epsom salt, and I just use a pinch and I put it in with the water, you can use both of these products when you fertilize as well. They aren't going to contradict each other, which is what I like about it. It seems like 2 natural, safe solutions. And so I just use a pinch every watering can that I use. And you can use it as a foliage or a foliar spray. So if you put it in your water bottle, she's so needy too. You can spray it right on the leaves and it won't damage the plant. But most of the time I just put it in the watering can because that's easier for me. And then I just water that way. This is great for tomatoes, great for, I think, peppers, roses. I don't have any yet, but so many things that could benefit from more magnesium. And like me, I don't really know what nitrogen or magnesium, what your plant needs specifically, but I do know that just a little bit isn't gonna hurt. So give it a try and you'll see some really good results. So anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just 2 simple, kind of safe, natural solutions that I use on my plants almost every time that I water to make them happier and healthier. So comment below if you have questions and I'll try to help you out. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.